I'm Terry from Fine & Country, and I'm here today in Oxfordshire at this beautiful property. This amazing farmhouse behind me has been beautifully looked after by the current owners. It includes excellent living space and well-proportioned bedrooms. But certainly the biggest draw of purchasing this property is the 94 acres of ring-fenced land that it has over 6 fields. Please follow me inside and you'll be able to have a look around. There's a multitude of barns, sheds, stables, and even an outdoor cinema. It's a wonderful place in a most sought after location here in Bletchingdon, just by Kidlington town. The owners are very keen on walking and have also told us that to walk all the way around the edge of the grounds here, it's about 2.5 miles. So there's a lot of ground. It's a great opportunity for somebody. So if you'd like to find out more or to arrange to come and have a look at this home, please give us a call on the telephone number that's about to follow.